Jailbird TV.
Asking cops the same questions they ask us.
Freeman, you doing all right over here? Okay.
Just checking my computer.
Doing what?
Just checking my computer.
I heard about some suspicious behavior over here, so we're...
Yeah, I'm not gonna try that. There was, in recent time, an influx of social influencers, people that go out in public and talk to young ladies and get their contact information. In recent times, this guy named Tristan Social got out and met a young lady on the beach and has been working and collaborating ever since.
Hey Enoch, how are you, man? It's a check for your orphanage. $36,000, 88 million children.
Vehicle traveling with traffic, northbound Figueroa, paralleling the 110 freeway.
You always see these chases on TV, but you never see them bring out the big guns, like what they're bringing out to California. Now, what is this for right here, huh? What is this for right here? May 11th. May 11th. Everything. See this right here? This right here is why I don't deal with G-checks. I don't mess with convicts no more. There was this one time I was in the middle of the woods in the forest in Colorado, and a homie G-checked me, right? And instead of just keeping it moving and saying nothing or saying something like, oh, nothing, no, I answered, and it just escalated from there. And for the next 7 hours, I was hiding for my life. You guys are probably wondering how I like to exercise, and here it goes. It needs to end, like right now, this stuff right here. And innocent you know, kill and stuff like that. It needs to stop. It really does. Look at this right here. Look at this. Needless death. Over what? For what?
I turn good players into great players and great teams into champions. There is just one more thing for me to accomplish.
Time for Moments with Grandpa.
Increase in significant interest aliens. These are aliens with significant ties to terrorism. Prior to this administration, the San Diego sector averaged 10 to 15 SIA arrests.
Harris would be the first woman president, first black woman president, and first Asian president. But I don't vote for who will be the first. I vote for who will win.
Get down time. Down time.
Brad, I know we told you to invest and I lost my yacht. And Brad lost his home.
So for hair loss, an excellent mixture for hair loss would be probably 1/4 cup of coconut oil.
Vibes, bro.